Okay, I'm going to wash my face mask. This is how I wash it. You can use woollite or you can use some dishwashing liquid, but I have it in this little bowl right here, a little bowl. This is my bowl for face mask, so I don't use anything else for it. I put some water in this bowl, kind of saturate my cotton face mask like that. Just enough water and just kind of saturate it. This one has the lanyard as well. I have a face mask that is also a lanyard. And I'm just gonna open up the woollite bottle here. Just pour just a tad of woollite. You don't have to do a whole lot, just a little bit. I don't want to use it all up. And I don't want my face mask saturated, just a tad. And I'm going to pour it in there like that and just kind of squish it around or swirl it around using my hand to make sure I squeeze out make sure I squeeze in, I should say, the woollite. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse it again, squeeze it out. Hold this in my hand while I rinse this water out. I'm over here by the sink. Put some clean water in it, just squish it. And then once I get the water out, I'm going to squeeze it, excess water out of it, and just hang it dry. See, I got my little name tag hangs in pretty good. So this is how I go about cleaning my face mask from after each use. I try to keep 2 face masks on hand so one can be drying while the other one is I can wear it. So hope this tip helps you. Bye.